This skit was performed on an American TV show, Saturday Night Live, where several such comedic sketches are performed, often by celebrities, in this case, Lady Gaga. Now, one particular scene in this skit, which starts from Mola Ram, a character of Mola Ram being introduced to Om Namah Shivaya and to Ma Kali Shakti, these chants that are being said in the skit, are actually from an American movie, a famous one called Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom was banned for a period of time for stereotypical depiction of the Indian Hindu culture. In fact, the very title of this movie is controversial because the temple which it is referring to, the Temple of Doom, doom meaning anything negative or catastrophic or tragic happening, this temple is a temple of Ma Kali. You see human sacrifices being shown in the temple. You see all kinds of weird offerings being made to the goddess in the temple. And the character Mola Ram is a villain. And the name itself, Mola Ram, again associating the name of a Hindu god with a villain and demonic activities. It's nothing new. Hollywood is simply carrying forward their typical racism, their typical Hindu phobia, hatred for Hinduism. You associating something that is pure, that is full of values, that is full of faith, that is full of positivity for us. Associating that with demonic activities, and it's an attempt to depict as if we are some country of snake charmers. Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, by the way, was directed by Steven Spielberg, who has a huge fan following in India. The contradiction is that on one hand, Steven Spielberg would make something like a Schindler's List on the Holocaust and a heartwarming, heart-touching story. So I think the bias has always been there.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Nam Shiva. Om Nam Shiva. Om Nam Shiva.
The only revelation is that racism still continues in Hollywood and Hindu phobia still continues in Hollywood. They are still ignorant of what Hinduism is and who Hindus are.